Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple is about to flip the script on home entertainment. The Apple TV 4K2025 isn't just a streaming box, it's a next-gen gaming console, a FaceTime-powered communication hub, and your ultimate smart home brain, all in one sleek package. Today, we're diving deep into every leak, rumor, and hidden detail you need to know before Apple changes the way we watch TV forever. Apple is about to change the way we watch TV forever. The all-new Apple TV 4K2025 isn't just a streaming device anymore, it's a full-blown entertainment powerhouse with console-level gaming performance, Wi-Fi 7, ultra-speed streaming, and a rumored FaceTime camera built right in. This could be the biggest Apple TV upgrade in history. Today, we're breaking down every leak, every rumor, and every major feature you need to know about before launch. Design and build render of sleek Apple TV design with glowing Apple logo. Rumors suggest smaller footprint with premium aluminum finish.
Possible.
Vented cooling system for high-performance gaming. Minimalist design, matching Apple Vision Pro and M4 MacBook style. Performance upgrades, animation of A19 chip with power effects. Expected A18 or A19 chip for next-gen Apple Arcade titles. Support for 8K video playback and 120Hz refresh rate. Ray tracing graphics for realistic gaming visuals. TV UI liquid glass UI redesign for smoother navigation. Interactive widgets for weather, news, and sports overlays. Multi-user profiles with recommendations. Smart home integration. HomeKit automation examples acts as primary HomeKit hub for all smart devices. Voice control with Siri upgrades for TV and smart home scenes. Integration with Matter standard for wider compatibility. Gaming revolution. Gameplay footage from Apple Arcade support for AAA game. Streaming from Apple's rumored cloud gaming service. Low latency. Bluetooth controller pairing. Shared gaming with FaceTime picture-in-picture. Connectivity and Wi-Fi 7H 2.2 with dynamic HDR and VRR for smooth visuals. Faster AirPlay from iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Camera and communication. Built-in FaceTime camera for living room video calls. Center stage. Tracking so you're always in frame. Integration with SharePlay for watching movies together remotely. Price and release date predictions. Possible $99 entry model for mass adoption. Premium version could reach $179, $199 with more storage. Expected launch September or October 2025. Alongside iPhone 17 series, the Apple TV 4K2025 could be more than just another streaming box. It could be Apple's ticket to dominating the living room. But what do you think? Will these rumored features be enough to make you upgrade? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button, and subscribe so you don't miss Apple's big reveal. Trust me, you'll want to be here when it happens.